Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is CKP style fish curry, which is extremely tasty and so quick and easy to make. Let's see how it's made. Come on. We have to make a masala paste for the marination. Use the coriander stems also. This masala can be used for a variety of dishes. Now make a smooth paste using very little water. Take a look at the description box for some amazing recipe links. Perfect. Keep it aside. Here I have kingfish pieces washed and patted dry. We will have to season these first. Now you can add chili powder as per how spicy you like. This is the prepared masala paste and add all of it. We will apply this evenly to all the fish pieces so each and every part gets this marination perfectly. Leave it aside for 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes and now we can make the curry. Roughly crush the garlic and add it to the hot oil. You can saute until it gets golden or even a little darker. Place the marinated fish pieces carefully. Now tamarind pulp is made by soaking the tamarind in warm water for 20 minutes and then extracting the pulp. I have also just added water to the marinated fish container to get all the masala out. Try to use thick coconut milk for a nice thick creamy curry consistency. At this point, we are not going to mix the fish pieces. Doing so will break the fish. Fish cooks quickly and is very delicate. Just mix very lightly or shake the pot to mix well and bring to a light boil. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low flame. I'm adding broken green chilies for added flavor. Garnish and we are ready to serve the fish curry with steamed rice. Click the subscribe button if you like my recipes for such amazing recipes I post every week. Wow, look how awesome this looks. Hope you like the recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Until then, bye.